now so we know it's recording. Okay. You got it? It's really light, so I won't shake around too much. There. Yep. Okay. All right. Today is June 12th. We're going to check out the bees. I gave them one smoke warning already. What we're going to have to do here today is check on the beetle stuff. Check on them and see what's new in the hive. So without further ado, let's get started. Beetle traps have 3 beetles. They're pretty calm. 7 beetles. And plenty full. And I'm trying not to spill this. Wow, a lot of beetles. Plenty full. I'm going to take that one out for the moment. I'll do a quick check here on what's going on. No, actually I'm going to leave that because there may be a queen. But this I need to check and scoot over. They're surprisingly cooperative this morning. Well, not surprisingly, it's a nice hive. Two beetles.